Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Radin Azalia Rizky Puspitasari and my student ID number is 221. Today, I would like to talk about a movie entitled Enola Holmes 2. This movie is a mystery and adventure film. It tells the story of a young female detective named Enola Holmes who tries to prove that she can solve serious case by herself. This movie is not only entertaining but also meaningful because it talks about bravery, justice, teamwork, and women's rights. Let's get in the storyline. The story. The story begins with Enola Holmes, the younger sister of famous detective Sherlock Holmes. After solving her first case, Enola decides to open her own detective agency. She wants to become a professional detective and help people solve their problems. However, it is not easy for her. Many people don't believe in her ability because she is still young and because she is a woman. Most people only know her as Sherlock Holmes' sister, not as Enola Holmes herself. At first, Enola feels disappointed because no one wants to hire her. People compare her to Sherlock and they think she is not experienced enough to handle a real case. However, Enola doesn't give up. She still believes that she has the intelligence, courage, and determination to become a great detective. One day, a young girl named Bessie comes to Enola and asks for help. Bessie is looking for her missing sister, Sarah Chapman. Sarah works at a match factory, but suddenly she disappears without explanation. Enola accepts the case because she wants to help Bessie and prove that she can solve a mystery on her own. During the investigation, Enola goes to the match factory and meets many female workers. She discovered that the factory is not a safe place. The works are treated unfairly and many women become sick because of the dangerous material used in the factory. At first, the case seems to be only about Sarah Chapman disappearance, but later Enola realizes that the mystery is much bigger than that. Enola finds clue, follow dangerous people, and enter place secretly to get more information. She also gets involved in situations that put her life in danger. Along the way, she meets Lord Tewkesbury again, who helps her in several moments. Even though Enola wants to be independent, she slowly learns that accepting help from others doesn't make her weak. Sherlock Holmes also has his own case, but later his case becomes connected to Enola investigation. Together, Enola and Sherlock try to uncover the truth behind the factory, the missing girl, and the powerful people involved in the crime. At the end of the movie, it is revealed that Sarah Chapman didn't disappear because she was weak or careless. She was actually brave and smart. Sarah had taken an important list containing the names of women who had died or become victims because of this factory dangerous condition. This evidence is very important because it is revealed the truth that the factory owner tried to hide. The story ends with the match factory girls standing together to fight for justice. Enola finally understands that being a detective is not only about solving puzzles, but also about helping people and revealing the truth. The movies show that courage and teamwork can make a big difference. My favorite character in Enola Holmes 2 is Enola Holmes. I like her because she is intelligent, brave, and independent. She is a young detective who always pays attention to small details that other people often ignore. Because of her intelligence and observation skill, she can solve difficult mysteries and uncover the truth. Enola is also very courageous. She is not afraid to take risks and face dangerous situations when investigating a case. Even when things become difficult, she never gives up and continues searching for answers. Her determination makes her a strong and inspiring character. Another reason I like Enola is her independence. She wants to create her own identity and prove that she can succeed through her own abilities, not just because she is Sherlock Holmes' younger sister. Throughout the movie, she also learns that asking for help and trusting others is important. This main message of Enola Holmes 2 is the importance of being brave enough to fight for the truth and stand against injustice. The movie showed that finding the truth is not always easy, but it is worth the effort. Another important message is about teamwork. Although Enola wants to solve the case on her own, she learns that working with others can make people stronger and help achieve better results. The movie also highlights women courage and empowerment. The female workers stand up for their rights and demand justice, showing that women can be strong and make a difference. In my opinion, the movie teaches us that even small action can create big changes when we are brave, determined, and willing to help others. My favorite scenes in Enola Holmes 2 is when Enola secretly entered the office to investigate the mystery at the match factory. I think this is the best scenes because it is exciting, suspenseful, and very important to the story. This sense Enola is getting coached while searching for evidence. Even though the situation is dangerous, she continues her investigation because she wants to uncover the truth. This shows how brave and determined she is. I also like this sense because it highlights Enola intelligence. She carefully observes her surrounding, look for clues, and connects the information she has collected. Her detective skill help get closer to solving this case. The evidence found during the investigation helped reveal a large injustice involving the factory workers. This changes the direction of the story and showed that the case is much bigger than a missing person investigation. For me, this scene is the most memorable because it combines mystery, tension, and emotion. It clearly shows Enola courage and determination to fight for the truth and justice. I will explain some difficult vocabularies along with example sentence. First, we have investigation. Sentence and I'll start an investigation to find out what happened to Sarah Chapman. Next, we have detective. Sentence Enola wants to prove that she can become a professional detective. Then, we have evidence. The list taken by Sarah Chapman become important evidence in the case. After that, we have disappearance. Sentence Sarah Chapman disappearance make Enola curious about the truth. Next is mysterious. Sentence the case becomes more mysterious when Enola finds hidden clue in the office. Next is suspicious. Sentence Enola follows a suspicious person because she thinks he knows something important. Then we have courageous. Sentence Enola is courageous because she entered dangerous place to find the truth. Next, injustice. Sentence the movie show the injustice experienced by female workers in the factory. Next is determination. Sentence Enola determination helped her continue the investigation even when it became dangerous. Finally, we have justice. Sentence the match factory girls stand together to fight for justice. That is all for my review of Enola Holmes 2. Thank you for your attention and for listening to my presentation. I hope this review has helped you understand the story, character, and message of the movie better. In my opinion, Enola Holmes 2 is an entertaining and inspiring movie that teaches us about courage, justice, teamwork, and believing in ourselves. I apologize if there are any mistakes in my presentation or pronunciation. Thank you and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.